Hi, my name is Duncan and I work with Garmin's product support. Today we're going to show you how to install your bike onto a Tacx direct drive trainer. We're going to be demonstrating using the Tacx Neo 2, but the process is similar for other trainers such as the Flux 2 and the Flux S. These trainers include the through axle adapter kit except for the Flux S. If you have a Flux S, you'll need to go to Garmin.com and purchase the through axle adapter kit separately. If your bike has a quick release axle, please view our other videos on this topic. Here are the tools we'll need for the installation. The Tacx through axle adapter kit, which includes the skewer and the threaded adapters, as well as a 17mm wrench and a 5mm Allen wrench. First we'll remove the drive side end cap. You can use your 5mm Allen wrench for this. Then we'll replace it with the through axle end cap. This you can start by hand and then use your 17mm wrench to tighten it down. Next, we'll do the non-drive side. Again, you can use your 5mm Allen wrench to remove the non-drive side end cap. And then we'll replace it with the through axle end cap. This you can start by hand and then tighten using your 17mm wrench. Now we'll remove the rear wheel. Now it's time to install the bike on the trainer. First we'll need to remove the rear wheel. You'll want to start by shifting the bike into the highest or smallest gear. Before we put the bike on the trainer, we'll need to determine which threaded insert and adapter we're going to use. The easiest way to determine which threaded insert you'll need is by lining the threads on the insert up with the threads on your axle. They should match up perfectly. If they don't match up perfectly, like this, you'll need to use a different threaded insert. Next, we can determine which adapter you're going to use. This axle uses a flat adapter. This is what a conical adapter looks like. Alright, let's get the bike on the trainer. Now that we have the bike lined up on the trainer, we can start by inserting the flat adapter into the non-drive side. Then we can take the threaded adapter and thread it into the drive side. This just needs to be finger tight. Then we can go ahead and slide the quick release through the frame. Once the quick release is snug, you'll want to make sure and close the quick release. If you tighten the quick release down with the lever arm open, you risk damaging your frame. And that's how you install your through axle bike on the Neo 2 trainer. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.